Living consciously is the fundamental element or the essence of meditation. In fact, living consciously is the only virtue of human life. All the other virtues just follow out of it. However, it is the greatest irony of human life. From cradle to the grave, every man goes on living unconsciously. The enlightened Master Gurdjieff has said that in a span of 65 years of life, a man hardly manages to live consciously from 3 to 5 minutes only. That is why all the enlightened masters on this earth had been making only one effort, and that was to awaken you against your unconscious life and living. No doubt, meditation is the most powerful device for conscious living, but you need to bring consciousness to each and every activity of your life, otherwise you will not be able to succeed in meditation. Today I am going to tell you one most powerful technique that can turn your eating and drinking into meditation. In fact, you can eat and drink consciously, and if you do so, it will help you grow more sensitive, it will make you more alive, and it will lead you to the experience of more fulfillment in life. All of us eat very unconsciously and mechanically like a robot. Without experiencing its taste in totality, you just go on stuffing yourself. My simple advice is start eating consciously. Start eating slowly with total awareness of its taste, and eat in such a manner that your mouth enjoys the taste of the food to the full. Let your tongue enjoy the taste of the food to the full, and chew your food with such love and with such care that each and every morsel of your food is so well digested in your mouth itself. It gets pre-digested before going down into the stomach, and if you take your food like that, you will find that not only your mouth and the tongue, but each and every pore of your body is enjoying the taste of the food. Experience total oneness with the taste of the food. You will find that such intake of the food becomes a real medicine. Not only the food will become a nectar, but taking the food will become a meditation. And slowly, the process of conscious eating will make your life and living meditative. And I want to tell you, if you don't allow yourself to relish the taste of whatever you are eating, your senses will start going dead. They will lose their sensitivity. Consequently, you will not be able to experience the intensity of the feelings in your life, and this will be a great disaster of your life. And just because of this, you will be bound to remain centered in the head. Likewise, when drinking a glass of water, feel the coolness of the water to its core. With the eyes closed, drink it, feel it, taste it. Let your mouth and tongue have a taste of it. And now let the coolness of the water pervade each and every pore of your body. Relish each and every single moment of taking the water. You will find that taking water itself has become a phenomena of utter fulfillment. It will make you more alive, more agile, and it will provide you strange contentment. Thank you.